guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hey, nako, Shuang Yun. So this is chapter 189. So, yung sniffing session, nauwi sa ganito. Talaga, Shuang Yun. Ikaw talaga. Wen, I really like you. I love you. Alam naman ni Wen yun. And I guess she loves you too. Just like the other mates. Shuang Yun. O diba, nakadalawa siya ngayong gabing to. Whoa. Okay, basing on the so he's taking Wen too fast, huh? Wen. Kung si Baidi is slow, ito naman harass, turnover. Shuang Yun. Wen, and I want you to have our children. Paano kayo nila ma-identify, no? Kung kayo Baidi yung bata or kang Shuang Yun. Diba? Whimper. Tinatapos din. Village naman, boy. Censored talaga yan. Ganda mo, girl. Nakadalawa ka this night, ha? Oh, whimper. Whimper talaga ng whimper. Whoop. Kita mo naman sa na iba talaga si Shuang Yun. Harass. Di katulad kay Baidi. Sweet and gentle. At inumaga po sila. Russell. It's morning. Rushing. It's Baidi. Rushing going somewhere. Why are you here? Don't you go back to sleep? Narinig niya siguro yung dalawa sa loob. I heard the whoops of Shuang Yun and muffled cries of Wen at the entrance. Siya ang nahiya. Wawa yun. That's okay. I know what they are doing, but I don't deserve that. Self-pity again for Sangye. That's okay, Sangye. Wen loves you too. Sangye, do you want to mate with her? Nadali mo, boy. Of course, every guy wants that. Especially that he's a beast. What does he mean by that? Diba? May sariling... Ito na naman si Baidi. Diba? We really don't know how Baidi thinks about Wen having a couple of husbands. Excess of sex might kill me in this world. O diba? Pagod na pagod. He was doing it for hours. Cluck. One, drink some juice. Diba? Napaka-supportive din ni Baidi. Thanks. Napaka-open-minded naman ng mga partner ni One. You must be tired after a whole night. Take a rest at home today. Well, yeah. Yung maintindihan ko, mahihiya ka o ano? Stupid. What happened? You even want to take her here? I don't care. Anyari? Is it Mushang? Let's take a look. Right, this is chapter 190. We'll see what would happen next. My waist. Okay. She really felt exhausted after everything, huh? Let me carry you. No. If so, everyone will know what I did last night. It is too embarrassing. Ikaw lang naman yung nahihiya, sila hindi naman. I don't allow you to take her here. Sino yan siya? She is bearing evil intention. Even her chief has already abandoned her. Oo nga naman. How can you stay with her? I really like Yiwu. I want to take care of her for the rest of my life. Mabanish po ka. I have the freedom to choose my own mate. Muyi, we don't care who your choice is. Ano ba? Happy family sila tingnan. Hug. But our chief already told us not to take any fox to the rock mountain. You can't break the rule. Nagsusumiksik na naman yan siya. Rebelde talaga. I sent her back to the fox tribe last night, but their chief wanted to kill her. That's not... Of course. Dapat lang sa ginawa niya. So I saved her and took her here. I'm here to beg our chief to let me take you to the rock mountain for shelter. You? No way. Even I. No way. You? Trimbol-trimbol din ang artistahin. I already made love with her. She's my mate now. I will never abandon her. Suko kay si ate. Her big sister's really angry. Even I would be angry about that. You are too ungrateful. You... Xiang, I'm sorry, but I really can't leave Yiwu. Then you live somewhere else, not in the fortress. She already killed multiple girls just for the potion. Grabe, evil intention niya. If Chief Shuangyun doesn't agree, I will leave you with her. Leave ka eh. Bye. What did you say? Wala chute. You know, love always wins. Love is blind. So of course he was still blind with his love with that girl. Are you serious, Muyi? You're gonna leave your family for an outsider? Yes. Yes, bitaw. Sige, Jude. Then you can live with her. Di alis kayo, diba? Chief? You've done a lot of things. Evil things. So, bakit mo papapasukin yan sa fortress? Ano ka ba? Tama lang si Xiong yun. Don't stay. Leave na lang. Muyi, come with me. We'll have a talk. Okay. Ano kaya ang iniisip ni Xiong yun? Swish, swish. Muyi has left. Diba? Umalis. Pinili niya talaga yung love of his life. And he can't do anything about that. Basta love na talagang umiiral. Yes, he chose to live with you. Wala kayong magagawa dyan. Love conquers all. Muxiang must be very sad. Talaga. Her beloved brother fell in love with a stranger in a night. And he left his sister who raised him like his mother. That is really sad and disappointing. Of course, even I felt Muxiang's feeling right now. Yiwu has Fox Love Potion. Is Muyi seduced by her so he can't make decisions on his own and left his sister? Might be. It's no longer important. It's no longer important na talaga kasi umalis na eh. He has already mated with Yiwu. It means that they can't separate unless they are dead. Muyi can't leave Yiwu for the rest of the day. Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter. Bye!